ready?
Hey guys, and welcome back to the 𝗿𝗿𝗰𝘁𝘀 channel. Today we're going to be doing a whole heap of home projects. We're going to be using timber that we found thrown out, including a doll's bed which I found by some bins near the apartments. It was just thrown out, and so we're going to be fixing that up. That should make my daughter pretty happy. And we're going to be salvaging parts off an old van and fixing my little boy's play tools. So that should make him happy, because he's been asking me about that for a little while now. And we decided to do it. So should be lots of fun, and I hope that you guys enjoy coming along with us. So enough talking, let's get started. Stand up. So that is 350, I think, mil wide. What brings me out to, let's see, what's 775. There we are. Let's measure it this way. That's how long I'm going to have to make the thing. Oh, he's been putting socks in our pillows. So I made the base for it, and it lasted about the rest of the season. And the other day we tried to use it, and yeah, basically they have a thermal breaker switch thing on it which wears out, and then yeah, it's too expensive to fix.
And the children's favourite books at the moment?
Aha! My reading practice books. So basically we're going to pull this apart and salvage whatever hardware we can off of it. So screws, bolts, nuts.
Goes deeper than my mind, sees farther than my eyes.
My heart hears better than my ears, beats as you draw near.
True love never forgets, so fill my heart, fill my bones,
fill my breath.
let us have a laugh that never forgets.
I'm ready!
My heart goes deeper than my mind, sees farther than my eyes.
Asta rasta!
My heart hears better than my ears.
You ready, sweetie?
Beats as you draw near. True love never forgets, so fill my heart, fill my head, fill my bones,
Fill my breath.
let us have a laugh that never forgets.
If you guys have been enjoying the video so far, a like and subscribe would be fantastic if you haven't done that already. And if you would like to see exclusive content of what we get up to behind the scenes and just as a family in general, as well as getting a first chance to get Backyard Russia merchandise when that becomes available, then please consider becoming a Backyard Russia insider. You can follow the links in the description or click on the end card that will pop up at the end. It's at our Backyard Russia Buy Me a Coffee page. And yeah, we really appreciate the support that you guys have given us. Some of you have already become members, and that's just brilliant. We're really thrilled to have you along for our journey. And yeah, it's your support that keeps this channel going. Anyway, let's keep going.
I think she will.
You like it? What do you say to Mummy?
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Daddy help ya. Just fold that little bit back. There we are. Very nice.
Nice and cozy.
Oh, very nice.
Well guys, it was a really fun day playing with the children and getting those few little projects done. We hope that you enjoyed watching the video. We really appreciate your support. It's what keeps this channel going. So yeah, we wish you all the best with your own projects, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.